Hello, my dear class. I hope you all are fit and fine, right? Well, I am your Nandita ma'am and I welcome you all in my conversation class. Students, last day we have learned name of a few homes of animals. Today we are going to continue with that only. So, let's begin. Here we can see some beautiful birds. Yes, these animals they like to fly. Do you know they also have a house? We call that as nest. N-E-S-T, nest. In the nest, they live, they lay their eggs, they grow their children. Okay. Nowadays, we can also see the birds in the cage. All right. Ants. Ants are really tiny. Yes or no? Now these ants they live in their own house. And what is the name? We call it ant hill. We call it ant hill. Cat. Cats are the pet animals, right? And they are carnivorous. Cats live in cattery. We call it cattery. Attention everyone, the king of the jungle is here. So, we have got lion here. Do you know? Lion is a wild carnivorous animal. And yes, we call it den, the place where they live. Lions live in den. Monkey. Monkey is one animal. Yes. Now they live on trees. Have you seen them near your house maybe? They are jumping always from one tree to another. So the monkeys live on the trees. Did you hear the bees were buzzing? Yeah, the sound of bees we call buzz. Do you know they are so active that they even make their own house? Yes, we call that as beehive. You might have seen this near your house, maybe hanging from some plant. Yes? So, we can say that bees live in the beehive. This is a rat. Rat is also kept as pet animal. Now, whenever you keep any food outside, be cautious. It might come and attack on your food. Now, rats live in rat hole. Okay, rats live in rat hole. Here you can see pig. Pig is one omnivorous animal. Do you know where a pig lives? Pig lives in pigsty. Yes, pigsty. Okay, so we can say pigs live in pigsty. So that's it for today. Please learn all the names of the homes and next day we will discuss more about it. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.